Hey guys, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. It is Cobra time, man. Slick paint job on this baby, and she's got Coyote power. Let's take a close look. Look at the metallic dancing in that maroon paint, man. I tell you what, one beautiful color on this. One of my favorite colors of all time. I absolutely love this thing. Now, this Coyote's got a Boss intake on top too. We're gonna get this baby out and drive it, then we're gonna show you that motor, we're gonna show you the underneath side, we're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on this Factory 5 investment. As you look down the side of it, I tell you what, Painter knocked it out of the park, man. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Take this car anywhere and be proud. I tell you, she is beautiful. Then we got highly polished stainless steel side pipes, and then check out the interior in here. Seats are looking sweet. We got some Simpson 4-point harnesses in there. The carpeting's looking good, and check out that dash. She's looking carbon fiber, baby. Absolutely gorgeous. Then of course we got our 5-speed shifter in there. We got our blacked out roll bar. She is gorgeous. I tell you, I can't get over the paint on this thing. It just looks absolutely beautiful. Now, I tell you what, I'm looking at this with my sunglasses on. I see like red, I see silver, I see a little bit of blue tinge. I mean, the metallic in it is freaking killer, man. That sun is making it dance. Of course, we got the fuel fill, the signature for the Shelbys, man. They dump that big tank of gas in there. That baby's all polished up, looking good too. Of course, the chrome on the windshield's looking sweet. Now, everything at Vanguard Motor Sales is not on consignment. We own every one of our vehicles here, so you know we spend the time to check them out before we buy them. The first thing that happens to everything is they go up on the lift and they get inspected so we can answer every one of your questions. So give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this beautiful machine. Cobra time. I tell you what, this thing is amazing, guys. Love the sound of these Coyotes and Boss intake on there. And then I've already talked about the color. I mean, I am just turned on by the color on this car. Just absolutely gorgeous. And I tell you, it just, everything about the car is so fun. I get in these babies every time I want to go to a car show and there's one available to drive. Just a blast. Now I'm just barely touching the accelerator there. I mean, this thing is a rocket ship. Now, we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about it. Now, look at this dash. I tell you what, it is absolutely stellar, man. I love it. The way everything's laid out, the carbon fiber, I mean, just looking sweet as can be. Now, we'd love to have you come check it out in person if you have the time and the means. Don't forget, if you need to fly in, we're close to the airport. We're going to take this thing back and put it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. She is pretty, and she sounds even better, man. road trip right now. So let us know your Cobra stories. We'd love to hear. Now we're showing up back here at our shop. We're gonna put this baby up in the air and we're gonna show you what makes those side pipes sound so great. All right, we're underneath this Cobra now, and man, it is pretty under here too. You can see the cover on the gas tank looking brand new. The 8.8 rear end's got a 373 gear, and it is posi. This big cover they've got on here is aluminum, and then these two bolts right here, they put pressure on the main caps to help make that a lot more sturdy in there. You can see the braces running in every direction. You can see the disc brakes, the coilovers holding it up. I mean, it's just beautiful under here. All the tin work looks good. And then the paint job on the frame. I mean, the paint job on the frame looks as nice as the paint job up on the top side of the car. Of course, we've got the 5-speed trans here. It is a cable clutch here. We've got the bottom side of that Coyote power. I can see those headers are polished all the way up to the motor, man. She is looking absolutely gorgeous in here, man. I tell you what. I just love this thing. I tell you, if you're gonna show this thing, you might wanna put some mirrors underneath it. It is that pretty. The battery's mounted right up here in front of the motor, so it's easy to get at. Fan shroud's looking good. Looks like aluminum radiator, aluminum fan shroud also. The nose of the car, got one tiny little scrape in there, but again, only the mice are gonna see this. And you wanna keep this thing away from the curbs because it's nice and low to the ground. Now on the wheels, these are the GT40 style wheels. There's some set screws in here. There's a set screw right in there. You take that set screw out, spin this off, and this cover comes off to reveal the lug nuts for the tires. But it looks just like one of the original knockoffs. Make sure you take that set screw out before you try to spin that spinner. You can see the polish job on those side pipes is just looking sweet. I mean, look at the paint job right there, man. I tell you what, I could shave in that. It looks sweet. Now out back here, got the same good looking wheels, but we got a lot more rubber back here. These are Nittos. And if I could find the size, I would tell you it. There it is. Are those 315s? Yes. 315, 40, 35, 17s. Well, we're gonna lower this baby down and look under the hood. All right, under the hood here, look at this, man. You wanna talk about belonging here. Boss 302, yeah, she's a Coyote. And she's got the Boss intake on her. So this thing is definitely north of 400 horse. In this little car, it is a rocket ship. Now, I've already been out driving it. We had a blast. She is a rocket ship, man. She is just absolutely gorgeous. Looks like we got a fuse panel here, and you can't see it from this angle, but I can see underneath the fender there, they got the ECU mounted under there, nice and neat. The car does have power brakes. I can see the power booster here. All the wiring's nice and tucked in there nice. All the plumbing's nice and tucked in there nice. We got an electric fan keeping it nice and cool. We got nice paint on the bottom side of the hood. I tell you, you take this baby to a car show, you're gonna wanna pop the hood of this thing to show this off, because this is the centerpiece of this beautiful car. This Coyote with that Boss intake on it. Guys, this is one sweet little Cobra. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.